Welcome to estimating. So estimating is used to predict the answer to a calculation. Estimation uses round numbers in a calculation to make it quicker or easier to get an approximate answer. Estimating is when we take one or more numbers in a calculation and round them to a number that is closest to the original number. We can round down or up depending on the situation. We usually round to the nearest 5 or round to the nearest 10. For example, if we are estimating the answer to 11.87 times 4.876, sometimes it may not be easy for you to actually calculate this question, especially if you want to approximate and calculate very quickly. So we could use the calculation 10 times 5, and that gives us 50. So 11.87, we round it to the nearest tens, which gives us 10. 4.876, we can round it to the nearest 5, which gives us 5. This gives us a sensible estimate that we can then calculate in our heads. And this is exactly how estimation actually works. Let's have a look at the first question. So work out an estimated answer to the following question. So for example here, we've got a question that says 19 times 11, which could be 20 times 10 equals 200. So 19 can be rounded to 20 and 11 can be rounded down to 10. So this way 20 times 10 is 200, and it's pretty simple in this case. So the first example is already done for you. So 20 times 10 equals 200 will be the exact answer here. So do the same with the rest of the other questions as well, and try your best and determine exactly how to best estimate and come up with a rounded answer. Good luck.